video. In today's video I will show you how to integrate speech recognition API inside any kind of a web app. So let's get started. So in today's example I will be using Next.js, but you can use any kind of framework. Like the code which I will be showing you is framework agnostic, so use it anywhere you want. So first I will show you a demo. So there are two buttons called, first is get speech, second is stop recognition. So like when I click on the get speech button, it will ask me for some microphone permission and all, and when I speak something, like it will keep recording whenever I speak something, and it will print to the console. And when I click on stop recognition button, it will stop recognizing. To use this speech recognition API, you can only do it on some event click listener, like on a button click or something. You can't directly use it inside the initial load of a web page. The user will have to perform some action, then only you can start this. Another important thing which I would like to highlight is this API. I'm not sure why it's not working on Firefox for me. Like it works on Safari, but it works on Chrome, but it does not work on Firefox. I'm not sure whether Firefox has not implemented this API, or like I'm using the up-to-date version of Firefox, or maybe it's my Mac settings that's blocking Firefox from using it. I'm not really sure, but yeah, let's get started. So I will click on get speech button. I'll just refresh the page. Okay, I will click on, okay, sorry, I'm inside the Firefox browser, that's why I was so here you can see it says that the web speech API is not supported in the browser. Safari browser, I will just clear my console log. I will refresh the page as well. So here if I click on get speech, it will first ask me for my microphone permission. I will allow it, then I will speak something randomly and it will be printed to the console log. Hey, hi, how are you? So here you can see it is printed to the console log. I will stop. I will now click on the stop recognition button. So now it won't print. So here you can see now I will talk anything, it won't print it to the console because I have stopped the recognition. Now coming back to the code, so here I am using Next.js, but you can use anything whichever makes sense to you. So what I have done inside my React component is, I'm not sure why I'm using this, so I have just created a variable called recognition. Also the type IntelliSense is very poor for this speech recognition API, at least in VS Code. I'm not sure about other IDs. So but first here I'm checking whether the WebKit speech recognition is available inside your browser or not. For Firefox it directly prints out this. Also this WebKit is not related to Safari, like same WebKit is supported in Google Chrome as well. I'm not sure why they decided to name it as WebKit, but when I looked into the Mozilla developer docs, it says that just use speech recognition, but speech recognition I think was not working for me, so I just decided to use WebKit. This WebKit thing works in both Chrome as well as in Safari. Now the continuous I have set it to true, but you can set it to false as well if you want. You don't want to continue listening to what the user is saying. And the language I have set it to English, but you can set whatever language you want. And here I have added some event listener. So this result event listener will be called whenever the browser recognizes some speech which you have spoken of, and then here you can see it tries to print it to the console, like whatever text you have spoken as well as whatever confidence with which the browser detects it. Then there is this start listener once the speech recognition has started. Another is the stop, and another is the error with speech recognition. So here you can see on click button I'm just calling recognition.start, and on stop I'm just calling recognition.stop. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye.